Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add white heart effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and add the video that you want to edit, and then after this, you can click on the effect at the bottom. And then now you just click on a video effect. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see love. Click on it and swipe down until you can see white heart effect. This one. Click on it and now you just click on check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed and then for the background animation or opacity. And after this, you can click check icon in here. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add white heart effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.